Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, park on level ground, engage the brake, and chock the opposite rear wheel to prevent roll. Loosen the lug nuts 1/2 turn while the car is on the ground. This saves effort. Lift the front with the hydraulic jack, place jack stands under the recommended jacking points, and lower the car onto stands for safety. Once the wheel is off, inspect the rotor surface and hub for corrosion. Make sure you have a drip pan and all tools within reach before proceeding to the caliper. You'll remove the caliper bolts now, use the correct socket, and keep one hand on the caliper as you pull it free. Once off, suspend the caliper from the suspension with a wire hanger. Never let it hang by the brake hose because that stresses the line. Next, compress the caliper piston slowly with a C-clamp while the brake fluid reservoir cap is off so pressure can escape. After compression, remove the worn pads, clean the carrier and contacts, lubricate the sliding pins, and seat the new pads into the bracket. Once the new pads are seated, reinstall the caliper and torque the mounting bolts to the manufacturer's spec. Make sure threads are clean and starts are smooth. Refit the wheel, hand thread the lug nuts, lower the car, and then torque the lugs properly in a star pattern. You must pump the brake pedal slowly until it feels firm to reseat the pads against the rotor. Check and top the brake fluid to the max line if necessary. If brakes feel spongy later, bleed the system to remove air. Inspect hoses and fittings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.